So part 2. Know what I mean? What? 8, 6, 9. Now I made this. This was my IQ to draw it. Because my hands hurts. It hurts now. Now let's see if it's done. Let's pick a color, but not looking, okay? We need to pick a color, but no looking. Okay, sure. This is the part, so I picked colors. I picked it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. So let's go color. The skirts are nice. Because I draw it. Hmm. Idiot. Hold on. I said I'm okay, but please wait. Can you wait for a while? I can't even do it. Do I give a fuck? Ah, that's all. Bye bye. Is it pretty, guys? Like if it's pretty. I love you.